Yeah, hello everyone. I'm going to show you how to create rounded corner layout for RecyclerView item. I assume you already have the project, and currently I'm in the activity main layout. Here I have a linear layout as the root element, and I'm going to have only RecyclerView item in the activity main layout. Okay, let's give a margin for the start 24 dp and 24 dp, and also top for 24 dp. Yeah, I think it's enough. And also let's give it a simple ID, RecyclerView. Yeah, I think this is enough for the activity main layout. Okay, and then next we are going to create the layout for RecyclerView item. Okay, for the file name, let's give it a simple name, layout item. And then the root element, I'm choosing relative layout. Okay, you will see why I'm choosing this relative layout. You can choose another layout as the root element. Alright, here we have a relative layout element for the layout item. For the width, we will leave it match parent, and for the height, I think it is enough. 100 dp is enough, yeah, for our example. And then another important thing, let's give it an ID container. And alright, yeah, let's just create a simple layout for the item. I'm going to create a text view. Make the width and height a match parent, and then let's put a simple text here. Yeah, application name is enough, right, for just for an example. And then next, make the text centered to the parent, and then let's make the size a little bit higher, larger. Yeah, 16 sp is enough, I think. Also, let's give it an ID, text view. So we are not going to change the text, I think. And then next we are going to create a divider layout with the height 1 dp is enough, yeah, for our example. And give it a simple background black, I think it's enough. Yeah, this is divider for each RecyclerView item. Okay, background is enough, and we'll make it in the bottom of the parent. Alright, here we go. And also maybe channel alpha channel is also, we need the alpha channel for the background, right? And then give it an ID also, divider, because we are going to hide and show this view later on. Right, for the layout item, I think it's okay. Let's give it a background so we can differentiate between our background and the item layout background. I will just simply choose the color accent, and then therefore we are going to change the text color to white. Alright, done. Next we are going to create a round corner for top corner only. Okay, so this is, we are going to create a layout under drawable. So this layout is a shape, and then we'll just give it a solid color here with color accent. I think it's enough. So color accent, And then let's set the corners here. So this is for the top corner only. So we are going to give a top left radius for 20 dp is okay. And then that's for the top left radius, and then the top right radius also the same, 20 dp. Yeah, you better place the size of the value of the radius in values XML later on. And then for the bottom radius enough 0 dp, will not make any radius to the bottom. And then next, create a round corner for the bottom only. So we are separating the bottom and the top radius. Okay, so make it the top radius 0 and then the bottom radius to 20 dp. Okay, so this layout we will use this layout we'll inject this layout into the layout item. Okay, let's test it whether it is working or not. So currently we have a simple background color, but then we are going to change it with the drawable. Okay, let's test the top. Alright, here it's working, right? For the top it's working, for the bottom also, yeah, it's working. So but for the default background we only give it a simple color accent. Okay, so we already have a recycle view, layout for recycle view item, and then also different background for each top and bottom corners. Next we have to create the item adapter, right, for the recycle view item. Create a new class, item adapter, and then inside the class create a inner class item view holder extending to recycle view view holder. Recycle view holder, here we go. Then create a constructor for the item view holder, and this class will receive view when it's called later. Yeah, super item view. And then we are going to identify some elements in the layout item. Yeah, first the relative layout or the parent element of the layout item, which is the container. Okay, and then also the divider. Okay, these two elements will be customized later on based on its position. So container, item view, find view by ID, container, and next divider, item view, find view by ID, divider. Alright, view holder is done. Next, extends the item adapter to recycle view adapter. Okay, and then override the necessary methods. Alright, and we're going to pass the simple list. Probably list of string is enough, yeah, just to show some items in the recycle view. So list of string is enough. And then create a constructor for the item adapter to receive the list of string. You probably guys already know how to create a item adapter, right, for recycle view item. So let's just make it simple. Here we are going to inflate the layout item to the item view holder, right? So view group.get context, inflate the layout ID here, and then give it a root element. Then we don't need to attach to root. Okay, then return new item view holder view. Okay, next for the get item count, we'll simply return the size of the list of string. Okay, and here we go here. So if it's the first item, okay, here the logic goes. If it's the first item, okay, I here is the position of the item, then container or the relative layout will have a background only the round corner top background if it's the first item. And the next, if it is the last item, so we are going to identify by the size of the list -1. So if this is the last item, then we'll set the background to the container with bottom corner only. Okay, and also we are going to hide the divider view if it is the last item, because we don't want to see it on the last item. Alright, so this is the logic to set the different layout on each a recycle view based on its position. Right, next go to main activity. Here we are going to populate the recycle view with some list of string. Okay. So find view by ID, recycle view, and then instantiate some list of string here. Right, equals to new array list. Yeah, just add a bunch of empty string. We're not going to use the content. Just enough for making it get populate. Then create instantiate the item adapter. Pass the string there. And then set the adapter for the recycle view with the item adapter. And also I'm just going to give it a simple linear layout manager for the layout manager of recycle view. Here we go. We have the recycle view adapter, and then also we already edit the main activity. We're now going to test it. Let's see. Yeah, here we go. We have here the recycle view item. The first item have the top rounded corner, and then the last item have the bottom rounded corner, which is among them is only the simple background. We manage it under the item adapter class. We also hide the divider on the last item. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you like and share.